this drone is a game changer.
Just to confirm.
It'll potentially save lives. It'll definitely save time, money, effort, and we'll be able to get a lot more done. The 60th Security Forces, we're implementing a new autonomous drone system. So our ultimate goal with this drone system is to ensure we always have an eye in the sky. Whenever we have a major response or an alarmed response, perimeter security situation, we can throw the drone up in the air, have it get to the scene before our defenders do, and it'll tell our defenders what they're about to pull up on. So we ensure that their safety is the first thing in our minds. So now that we're done with the research and development portion of this drone system, we're going to move into strictly training to operate.
Training for the drone group has been a lot of field work. Every day, every time we test, every time we fly, our capabilities grow, our knowledge grows, and our potential grows.
The impact that this program is going to have on the Air Force is the fact that it can be used in many different capacities. It could be used with civil engineering for their fire department to where they can use it for their major incident response, or their structure shops to inspect rooftops. The maintenance group wants to possibly use it for tail inspections. It's just the opportunities for this system in the Air Force are endless. Being attached to a program of this magnitude and at the groundbreaking essentially is just humbling.
This is truly, I guess, a pioneering moment for the Air Force, for the DoD, and mainly for Travis.